Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Get ready for an adventure to Hyderabad, India. This city is known as the City of Pearls. It's a place where history meets modernity. Ancient traditions blend with bustling city life. Get ready to be amazed by stunning architecture, delicious food, and warm hospitality. Hyderabad has something for everyone. History buffs can explore ancient forts and palaces. Foodies can indulge in spicy biryani and flavorful curries. Shoppers can find unique treasures in bustling bazaars. And everyone can enjoy the city's vibrant culture. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the heart of Hyderabad. Get ready to experience the magic of Hyderabad. It's a city that will captivate your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. Let's go. Welcome to Hyderabad. Your journey begins at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. This modern airport is your gateway to the city. Once you've collected your luggage, it's time to head into town. You've got options. Taxis are readily available outside the terminal. They're convenient and comfortable. Just make sure to agree on a fare before you set off. Looking for a more budget-friendly option? Hop on the Pushpak Airport liner. These air-conditioned buses run regular routes throughout the city. No matter how you choose to travel, getting around Hyderabad is easy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. The adventure is just beginning. Your first stop in Hyderabad has to be the Charminar. This iconic monument is the symbol of the city. It's a stunning example of Islamic architecture. Built in 1591, the Charminar is a mosque and a masterpiece. Its 4 minarets soar into the sky. They offer breathtaking views of the city. Take your time to explore the intricate details of the Charminar. Admire the delicate carvings and the impressive arches. Around the Charminar, you'll find the bustling Lad Bazaar. This market is a sensory overload. Bright colors, exotic scents, and lively chatter fill the air. You can find everything here from bangles and jewelry to perfumes and traditional clothing. Don't forget to capture some photos of this iconic landmark. The Charminar is a must-see for any visitor to Hyderabad. It's a true testament to the city's rich history and culture. Next up, we're stepping back in time. Get ready to explore 2 more of Hyderabad's historical gems. First, we'll visit the Mecca Masjid. This massive mosque is one of the oldest and largest in India. It can accommodate up to 10,000 worshippers at a time. The mosque's central courtyard is a serene oasis in the heart of the city. Take a moment to soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Our next stop is the Chowmahala Palace. This grand palace was once the seat of the Nizams, the rulers of Hyderabad. The palace is a stunning example of Indo-Islamic architecture. It features beautiful gardens, ornate fountains, and opulent halls. As you wander through these historical sites, imagine the stories they could tell. From royal ceremonies to daily life, these places have witnessed centuries of history. They offer a glimpse into Hyderabad's fascinating past. Section 5. Golconda Fort, Whispers of History. Get ready for a journey to the outskirts of Hyderabad. We're heading to the Golconda Fort, a magnificent fortress that stands as a testament to the city's rich history. This 13th century fort is a sprawling complex of ramparts, gateways, and palaces. As you explore the fort, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Imagine the kings and queens who once walked these grounds. Picture the battles that raged around its walls. One of the highlights of Golconda Fort is its acoustic marvel. A hand clap at the entrance can be heard clearly at the highest point of the fort, almost a kilometer away. In the evening, the fort comes alive with a captivating sound and light show. This show tells the story of Golconda's glorious past. It's a truly unforgettable experience. Don't miss it. Section 6. Qutb Shahi Tombs, Architectural Marvels. Our next stop is a short distance from Golconda Fort, the Qutb Shahi Tombs. This complex is home to the tombs of 7 Qutb Shahi rulers. It's a serene and beautiful place. These tombs are known for their stunning architecture. They blend Persian, Pathan, and Hindu architectural styles. The domes, minarets, and intricate carvings are a sight to behold. Take your time to wander through the gardens surrounding the tombs. The peaceful atmosphere provides a welcome respite from the city's hustle and bustle. These tombs offer a glimpse into the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone era. They're a must-see for anyone interested in history, architecture, or simply appreciating beauty. Section 7. A culinary journey through Hyderabad. Hold on to your hats, maybe loosen your belts, because it's time to dive into the world of Hyderabadi cuisine. This city is a food lover's paradise. It's famous for its rich flavors, aromatic spices, and mouth-watering dishes. No trip to Hyderabad is complete without trying the legendary biryani. This flavorful rice dish is a true Hyderabadi specialty. It's made with layers of meat, rice, and aromatic spices. The dish is slow-cooked to perfection in a sealed pot. If you're a vegetarian, don't worry. Hyderabad offers a plethora of vegetarian delights. From savory dosas and idlis to flavorful curries and vegetable biryanis, there's something to satisfy every palate. For an authentic Hyderabadi dining experience, head to Paradise Restaurant. This iconic eatery is famous for its biryani. It's a must-try for any foodie visiting the city. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. Section 8. Salah Jung Museum, a treasure trove of art and history. After a morning of exploring historical sites, it's time for an afternoon of art and culture. Head over to the Salah Jung Museum, home to one of the largest private art collections in the world. This museum houses a vast collection of artifacts, paintings, sculptures, manuscripts, and more. The collection spans centuries and continents. It includes Indian art, European paintings, Middle Eastern manuscripts, and Far Eastern porcelain. One of the museum's most famous exhibits is the Veiled Rebecca. This marble statue is renowned for its intricate veil, carved from a single piece of stone. The Salah Jung Museum is a treasure trove of art and history. It offers a fascinating glimpse into different cultures and eras. You could easily spend an entire afternoon getting lost in its vast collection. Section 9. An evening by Hussain Sagar Lake. As the sun begins to set, make your way to Hussain Sagar Lake. This heart-shaped lake is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakefront. Enjoy the cool breeze and the beautiful views. You can also rent a paddle boat or a speedboat for a fun adventure on the water. In the center of the lake stands the iconic Buddha statue. You can take a boat ride to the statue for a closer look. Around the lake, you'll find several parks, gardens, and restaurants. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the city lights after a long day of sightseeing. Section 10. Shopping in Hyderabad. From bazaars to boutiques, no trip to India is complete without experiencing the thrill of shopping. Hyderabad offers a wide range of shopping experiences. From bustling bazaars to modern shopping malls, you're sure to find something to take home. For a traditional shopping experience, head to Lad Bazaar near the Charminar. This market is a sensory overload of colors, scents, and sounds. You'll find everything from bangles and jewelry to perfumes and traditional clothing. If you're looking for handicrafts, Shilparamam is the place to go. This arts and crafts village showcases the work of artisans from all over India. You'll find beautiful textiles, pottery, wood carvings, and more. For a modern shopping experience, check out one of Hyderabad's many shopping malls. You'll find international brands, designer boutiques, and entertainment options. Section 11. Farewell from Hyderabad. Well, folks, it looks like our time in Hyderabad has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of the City of Pearls. We've seen stunning architecture, tasted delicious food, and experienced the warmth of Hyderabadi hospitality. From the iconic Charminar to the serene Qutb Shahi tombs, Hyderabad has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, this city won't disappoint. Safe travels, my friends, and remember, the world is full of amazing places to explore, so keep your curiosity alive and your bags packed.